Hello, today we are taking my Mazda Miata up to Mount Baker. We're gonna go carve some mountain roads, do some donuts, and have fun. Let's go. Alright, I'm going to do a little voiceover here. So we arrived to this meeting location. We got a bunch of nice cars, Supra, 4C, Gallardo. They drove all the way up from California is what I've heard. Got some awesome 300s, some BMWs. Not sure what that is, but we got my Miata there, ready to go. This 4C was cool. I actually talked with the owner. He let me sit in it. This carbon fiber monocoque tub was insane to even get inside. You have to, the door sills are crazy. So we had a driver's meeting. Now we're gonna go, hop in the whip, start it up. I got my Alani energy drink. I'm ready. Woo. Here we go. On the way to the mountain, we saw a huge group of Miatas, so that was fun. And then right after, we saw a group of S2Ks. So I definitely missed the memo for that cruise. We're about to go all the way up here on the twisties and have some fun. So I'm gonna mount this phone straight on my head like this. And we're gonna have some fun. All right, we made it up the mountain in like 4 minutes. I had to pull off because look at this freaking view. We have the lake right there. We were just down there somewhere, but bro, holy crap. Wow. This feels like I'm in Europe right now or something. Look at all that. I think we were just down. Oh, we were down way over there. Hold on. Yeah, we were down way over there. We went up the road, and now we're here. Bro, this is literally insane. What am I looking at right now? What am I looking at right now? It's cold as frick, bro. I should have worn shorts. Bro, we are quite literally in the clouds right now. Sheesh. Look at the roads too. We're gonna go up more roads like that. All right, no more detours. Let's go up there and see the view. Okay, I've somehow found myself on the side of a mountain. I am severely underdressed. Got my work shoes on. I got shorts on. It's like 50 degrees. Holy. I am up on a freaking mountain right now. They call me the mountain man. Bro, I feel like a hobbit right now. Carrying the ring of power. Look, there's freaking snow. There's Gollum up there. I'm just like on a mountaintop. Just walking, bro. Literally straight out of Lord of the Rings. My car's over there somewhere. I am so underdressed, bro. I'm in shorts. It's freaking 50 degrees. Scaling this mountain like it's no biggie though. Hey, we made it. We made it. We're on a freaking mountain, bro. We parked over there. We hiked all the way up there. Across there. And now we're here. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Okay, I made it up more. Low key, it looks like someone's living in this cave. There's a snowman right there. That's not a snowman, but yeah. Whew. I was parked all the way down there. And then I drove up through there. And then I hiked all the way up here. I want to see if I can see my elevation real quick. Let's see, I am 5,200 feet above sea level. Bro, I don't think you can tell, but this wind is so freaking violent right now. Look at that, you have clouds moving. You can see for literal miles, bro. Yeah, I'm not going up there. That person is though. I think I may be out of my element. I may be out of my element a little bit. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this little hiking with Sean segment. I gotta go. I climbed up this rock and I gotta go all the way down to the parking area right there. All right. Wish me luck. The wind is so strong, bro. And it's raining. Oh my gosh. We made it back to civilization. And the Miata's still there. Nice. It's time to do some donuts. It's raining a little bit. This whole parking lot is completely empty. So yeah, let's go do some donuts. Shall we? Oh yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, we are great. Now we're gonna have some fun on the back roads here. We're gonna wait for a few cars to pass and then we're gonna go crazy. There's a nice Julia. Nice. But yeah, we're gonna wait just a couple minutes, get all the NPCs out of the way, and then we're gonna have fun on these back roads. I mean, these back roads go on for a while, all through here, all around the mountain and everything. So yeah, we're just gonna let all the NPCs fly by and then we're gonna have fun. Oh my gosh, these roads are insanely bumpy. Insanely bumpy. Whoa. It's bouncing my head mount around, bro. This is bad. Even though I let everyone pass me, I still caught up to them. I'm stuck behind this NPC driver, so for the rest of the drive, we're just gonna chill with the top down and have a good time. These are some cool views that I shot on the way back home. Coming up, I found a really funny thing. So there were minions on 4 different houses. There's 1, there's 2 on the right, 3 on the left. Different houses with just freaking minions in the front of their houses, which was funny. I think I got another one here. Right there, 4 different houses with minions in the front. I don't know why I recorded this train, but it looked pretty cool. Bro, I don't know if this is getting picked up, but this girl behind me has a full-on iPad on her dashboard. A full-on, hold on, let me focus this. Full-on iPad on her dashboard, bro. These iPad kids need to be studied, bro. Full-on iPad on their dashboard, bro. Marysville was tweaking, so this car almost ran right into me. If you do this, bro, you have to get your license revoked. This is probably the stupidest thing you can do. That about wraps up the video. I am going to track my car this weekend, so stay tuned for that. But like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram. See ya.